In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel reserved time on Calendly. Maybe your schedule has changed or you've blocked off some time that you no longer need to hold. Whatever the reason, removing that reserved time helps keep your calendar clean and avoids any confusion about when you're actually available. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account and you're looking at your main dashboard. From here, you'll want to head over to the Meetings tab. This is the central place where Calendly keeps track of anything that's been scheduled, as well as time you've reserved or blocked off. You can usually find the Meetings tab in the main navigation at the top or on the side, depending on your layout. Once you're in the Meetings tab, focus on the area labeled Upcoming. This section lists events and reserved time slots that are scheduled for the future. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific reserved time slot you want to cancel. If you have a lot of upcoming items, it can help to pay attention to the date and time or look for wording that indicates it's reserved or blocked time rather than a meeting with another person. After you've found the correct reserved time slot, look over to the right side of that event card. You should see an option labeled Details. Go ahead and click on Details. This opens up a more complete view of that particular reserved time. Here you can confirm that you've selected the right entry by double-checking the date, the time, and any notes you might have added when you originally reserved it. With the details open and confirmed, look for the Cancel option. This is usually clearly visible in that Details window. When you click Cancel, Calendly will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this reserved time. This extra step is there so you don't accidentally delete something important. When the confirmation message appears, you'll see a button that says Yes, Cancel. Click Yes, Cancel to finalize your choice. As soon as you do this, Calendly will remove that reserved time slot from your upcoming list. That time will now be opened back up in your calendar, which means invitees can book it again if it's part of your availability. It's a good idea to quickly glance back at your upcoming section and your main calendar view after you've cancelled, just to make sure the reserved time is no longer showing. This simple check helps you confirm that the cancellation went through and that your availability now reflects your actual schedule. To recap the flow in plain language, you go to the Meetings tab, find the reserved time under Upcoming, open the details, and then cancel and confirm. Once you've done this a couple of times, it becomes a quick, routine part of managing your